What's up, Galactic Geek? Back with another unboxing and review, and today I've got this Tom and Jerry set from, I'm actually not sure who makes these guys. I saw them floating around on Instagram and did a little bit of searching on eBay for highly posable Tom and Jerry figures, and sure enough they popped up. And just look at all of the goodies they come with here. Some of the instructions and stuff are in Japanese, I think, so they're definitely not a major brand, but a little bit of research and you can find them. Just look at all the credible accessories they come with, and then the face sculpt and paint on both of these guys are dead on. It's just super nice to have a highly posable set of these guys. Unfortunately, his tail's not posable, but he does have ball joints on his shoulders, which gives him really nice range with his arms there, and he has ankle articulation and upper leg articulation there, which I think is also a ball joint, which just gives you tons. And then he has tons of artic on his neck as well with that ball joint, again for such a small little guy. Also comes with this alternate head, which is a super cool kind of annoyed Jerry look there. So you got the happy and the angry, which is just super cool. I'm a big fan of alternate heads and faces, expressions and stuff like that. And then let's look at Tom here. He's got the happy face. Look at the face sculpt and paint on that. It's just awesome. Got the yellow eyes and then the different details in the fur there, different color grays. And then he also has this other head, which is a mad, fed up, can't catch the mouse Tom face, but also kind of looks like a pouty lip. Super cool detail. And then the one that he comes with on his neck is this other kind of just angry or annoyed face there. Awesome detailing. As far as articulation, he has a ball joint on his shoulder, elbow, wrist, upper leg, knee, and ankle. He's got it's not a ball joint on his ankle, but it's a nice pivot there. And then he also has articulation on his tail, and then he has just a ton of range there. And he also has a ball joint on his neck as well. Tons of articulation out of these guys. And look at this accessory, is a bowl of milk with this straw that's actually removable, which is super nice. And then it has little ripples in the water, or in the milk, which is a nice detail there. This other block of cheese accessory, pretty standard for Jerry. And then of course he's got the mouse trap that comes with it. A nice touch. Pretty cool detailing on that. And then a baseball bat for Tom for mouse smashing. And then Jerry also comes with this set of crossed arms, I guess, that goes with that annoyed look, which that's pretty cool. Gives him a whole different personality there. And then Tom also has this set of grabbing hands, which these here, kind of like running and grabbing after the mouse. And then he's got a pair of holding hands, which I'm guessing is from that bat. And then he comes with this one hand that just comes with Jerry already in the fist, like he's holding him, which is just super cool, honestly. That's a great detail and accessory to have. And then just a couple quick shots of these guys. I mean, look at the posability and the scenes that you can set up with these guys. Just super cool and fun to have. I'll try and find the link and put it in the description. But as usual, thanks for watching, everyone.